Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text formatting. And right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS text alignment. The CSS text alignment and the CSS text direction. In this example, you will learn more about the following properties: the text alignment, text align last, direction, Unicode BD, vertical align. So those are the things you are going to be learning about. What is text alignment and how can we use it in a reasonable manner? If you notice very well previously in our document, we are having all these documents and we are having when we are writing anything inside this place, they are having a specific place where they start. They have specific place where they stop, where they start, and all that. So we are going to be controlling it. We are going to be controlling it seriously. So I just want you guys to be aware of this CSS text alignment and the text direction. We are going to be discussing about a lot about it. So anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.